I was sent this lawn leveler to try out, and I've got a couple low spots, so let's open it up. Okay, so here are the instructions how to put it all together. So let's get everything taken out here and we'll get it put together. Okay, so this is the lawn leveling rake, very heavy duty, made of all metal, so it's super sturdy. Here's the screws to put it all together. So you can see it comes with the wrench, the screws, the nuts. So we're gonna put this together. These four are the same. This is the top. And it looks like this is the one that goes into the actual unit because it has the hole. So I'm gonna put this here. There you go. Use this to hold it while you use the wrench to tighten it. Or you can hold this. You can use this to hold it, and you can turn this one. Either way it works. Whichever is easier for you. I'm gonna start putting in each area. So this has the little threads here, so I'm just gonna start threading it in. So I'm assuming you can just, do this according to your height, however many, since it's adjustable. So I think I'm 5'10", so I think this is going to be high enough for me, because that's actually probably 6'2". I think that's enough for me. Depends on how far of an area you're working with, but I'm gonna start here and see if this works. You can see I have some low spots here on my side yard, so I'm gonna fill it in with some sand and some topsoil and then spread it out and see how that does. Okay, that made the job a lot easier than just normal rake. I've got it all level. Obviously gonna have to get some more topsoil, but that worked really good. I would definitely recommend checking it out.